Hi students, welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 9, lists, tuples, sets and dictionary. So already we completed tuples and last video we discussed about the introduction to sets. So now in this video we are going to discuss about the set operations. See, there are 4 different type of set operations are available in Python. There are 4 different type of set operations are available. What are they? First one is union, next intersection, then difference, and then last one is symmetric difference. So we can see one by one what these operations will do. I think you might have studied these words union, intersection. Whenever you see this picture, you can understand the mathematics. I think the same set operations, set language you might have studied. It will be looking like that only. Here from this picture you can understand first circle that represents set A, the second circle that represents set B. So the word union means it is a combination of both set A and B, set A and set B. So it includes all the elements of set A and B. Then what about the intersection? So here the shaded part is in between A and B. So from this we can have a conclusion that the common elements of set A and set B, the common elements of set A and set B. Then what is mean by difference? Difference in the sense here A minus B. So the elements which are not in B, the elements which are not common, so we want to take A minus B. So we want to take the A part excluding the common elements. Excluding the common elements. Symmetric difference means you want to leave the common elements. Other than the common elements, we want to take A and B. Right. So that is called symmetric difference. So let us see in a detailed manner, theoretically as well as practically. Right. First we are going to discuss about union operation using the union operator. So what is mean by union operation? It includes all the elements from 2 or more sets. So how many sets are there? If it contains 2 sets or if it contains 3 sets, you want to include all the elements from all the sets. For example, if there are 2 sets, set A and set B, you want to take all the elements from set A and set B. So this is called union operation. In Python, the pipe symbol, this is called pipe symbol. It is used to union the 2 sets. It is used to combine the 2 sets. So this operator is used for union operation. Apart from that, there is another function called union function. This particular function is used to join the 2 sets in Python. So there are 2 ways we can go for union operation. One is through the operator and another one is through the function. So which operator is used for union operation? Pipe symbol. You can see the pipe symbol above the enter key in the keyboard. Then union function, that particular function is used to combine 1 or more sets. Right, let's see an example, then you can understand it clearly. So you consider set A. So set means the element should be separated by comma and then it should be given within curly braces. So set A is 2 4 6 8 numbers, whereas set B is A B C D. So we have given the characters. So when I go for union operation, union underscore set is equal to set underscore A. We are using the union operator set underscore B. So set A and set B are combined together and it is stored in union underscore set. So now when I print the union underscore set, the output will be shown as 2 4 6 8 A B C D. So you can see all the elements from set A and set B are combined together and it is shown as an output. Right. I think you have understood this. So the same thing we are going to do with the union function. See here, the same example, set underscore A 2 4 6 8, set underscore B A B C D. So here we are going to do the union operation by the help of union function. See here, set underscore A dot union. So which I want to combine with set A? I want to combine set B with set A. So set underscore A dot union set underscore B. Inside the parenthesis I want to pass as an argument. So I will get the output as 2 4 6 8 A B C D. Right. I think you might have understood this. If you see this thing in a practical manner, then you can understand it clearly. So this is a very important question. It's a 5 mark. So control plus, we can use control plus n, or else directly here itself we can set underscore A is equal to 2 4 6 8. See, the programming can be typed in script mode, or else we can type it in interactive mode. That is your wish. So set underscore B is equal to, so single quotes single quote A, comma, single quote B, comma, single quote C, comma, single quote D. So curly braces. So now I am going to do set operation union. So union is equal to set underscore A, pipe symbol. See here I have given the space, set underscore B. So now I am going to print the union. So when I print the union, you can see, but when you see this output, you can see the output is printed in a different manner. So every time when I print the set, it will be displayed in a different output. Say here 2 C 4 A 6 D 8 B. Can you understand, students? So using the set operator, I have done the union operation. So I can go with another one, union 1 is equal to, I can go with function set underscore A dot union function. So set underscore B. So using the union function I am going to combine. Now I am going to use the print function. So union 1, when I print that, now you see the same output is shown here, 2C 4A 6D 8B. So you can see the numbers 2 4 6 8. Then what about A B C D? So all are combined together. Can you understand, students? Through the operator we have combined, as well as through the function also we have combined. Right. So this is about a union operation. Union means combine all the elements together. Now we are going for intersection operator. So what is mean by intersection operator? So very simple. Intersection operator means, already I told you, so it includes the common elements in both the sets. We should not take all the elements, we should take only the common elements. So for intersection we are going to use the operator called ampersand. They used to call it in programming language AND operator, right? Ampersand operator. Right. So the operator ampersand is used to intersect two sets in Python. Like union function, we have another function called intersection function. So here intersection function is used to intersect two sets in Python. So now I am going to take set A 2, 4, 6, 8, then A, D. A, D. In set B, I have taken A, B, C, D. So now from this itself you can understand that which is common in set A and set B. So 2 is not common, 4 is not common, 6 is also not common, 8 is also not common. But A and D, both these elements are common in A and B. See, the elements A and D are common in both the sets, set A and set B. So when I use the operator called ampersand operator, now what is the output I am getting? A, D. So instead of using this operator, if I use the function, now what will happen? The same example, set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 AD, and then set B is equal to ABCD. So instead of using the ampersand operator, I am going to use intersection function. So when I print, then I will get the output as A, D. Now we can see this example. So instead of taking set underscore A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, you can take some other value also, no problem. Whatever you like you can take. So as per book I am just typing the values. Set underscore B, so is equal to single quote A, comma, single quote B, comma, single quote C, comma, single quotes D. So all the characters should be given within single quotes. Now I am going to use intersection. So inter is equal to set underscore A. So I am going to use ampersand operator, set underscore B. So now I am going to print inter. So when I print, now what happens? Which is the common element? A, D. So that is a common element. If I use, instead of this, if I use function inter1 is equal to set underscore A dot, what is the function name? Intersection. There we used a union. So here we used intersection, set underscore B. So now when I print inter1, when I print inter1, what happens? The same output A, D is printed on the screen. So the common elements are shown on the screen. So this is about intersection. Right. Next we are going to see the difference operation using the operator. What is mean by difference operation? It includes all the elements in all the elements that are in the first set. But we are not going to take the elements in the second set. So this means we are going to include all the elements from set A, and we are not going to include the elements which are in set B. So the common elements should be rejected. The common elements should be eliminated. We want to take only the elements which are available in A alone. We should not take the elements which are available in B. We should eliminate the elements in B. The common element should also be eliminated. Right. So what is the symbol for difference operation? The minus operator is used to difference the set operation in Python. Right. So for union we used pipe symbol. For intersection we used ampersand. So for difference we are going to use minus. Then what is the function name for difference? Difference is the function. Right. Difference function. Right. Let us take an example. For example, set A is equal to A, 2, 4, D. A comma 2 comma 4 comma D. Then I am going to take in set B. What are the elements I am going to take in set B? A comma B comma C comma D. Now the elements we want to take only in first set. First set means which set? Set A. So how many elements are in set A? 4 elements. What are they? A, 2, 4, D. But A and D are common in both set A and B. So we should leave the elements A and D. So what are the other elements? 2 and 4 are the other elements which are not available in B. So what will happen? The difference operation will happen. So set underscore A minus set underscore B means it stores 2 comma 4. So when I go for printing the output, what will be the output? It will be shown as 2 comma 4 on the screen. The same operation is done through the function set underscore U is equal to set underscore A dot difference of set underscore B. Instead of using the operator, I am going to use the function. Right, let's see this. So set underscore A is equal to, so in single quotes A, then 2 comma 4 comma single quotes D. Right, then next set underscore B is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Right, now so all the values are stored in set A and set B. I am going to do difference. So DIFF is equal to set underscore A minus set underscore B. So when I go on printing difference, now what is shown on the screen? 2 comma 4 will be printed on the screen. 2 comma 4 will be printed on the screen. Now I am going to use the function set underscore A dot difference of set underscore B. Now I am going to print the difference using difference function. So 2 comma 4 is shown on the screen. Can you understand, students? Union means you want to take all the elements from set A and B. Intersection means we want to take only the common elements. Whereas difference means we want to take only the elements from first set, that is A alone, not the elements in B. The common element should also be eliminated. Right. Then last function is symmetric difference. So symmetric difference operation using the symmetric difference operator. Here what is mean by symmetric difference means we want to include all the elements from A and B. We want to take all the elements from A and B, but we should not take the common elements from A and B. We should take all the elements from A and B, but we should not take the common elements in both the sets. Common elements in set A and set B. Right. Here which operator is used for symmetric difference? Caret operator. We used to call it as cap symbol. This operator is called caret operator. This symbol is called as cap symbol, which is available in the keyboard. You can see this key by in the number 6. You want to press shift plus 6. Right. Then what is the function name for symmetric difference? Symmetric underscore difference function. Symmetric underscore difference function. Right. Now let us take the example. Set A24D. A24D. Whereas set underscore B. ABCD. ABCD. Now which is common? Both the sets A and D is common. Both the sets A and D is common. So now what will happen? We want to take both the sets A and B, but we should leave the common elements. If you leave the common elements, what are the elements? A and D will be common. So what are the other elements? 2, 4, B, C. 2, 4, B, C. So using this, we are going to get the symmetric difference output using the caret operator. The same operation is done through the symmetric difference function. Set underscore u is equal to set underscore a dot symmetric underscore difference of set underscore b. So in the previous slide we have discussed it through the operator. Now in this slide we are going to discuss with the symmetric underscore difference function. Right. I think you might have understood this. Let's see this in a practical manner. So already set A and B is created here. So I am going for symmetric difference alone. So S DIFF is equal to, so S DIFF means symmetric difference. Right? In a short manner I have given. So we want to use caret symbol, set underscore B. Right? Now already set underscore A and set underscore B is already created. It is created here. So instead of typing again, I just take the same thing. Now I am going to print S DIFF. Now when I print like this, now what happens? C, 2, 4, B. So what are the elements which are missing? A and D is missing because A and D are the common elements. A and D are the common elements. Like that I can go through function. S DIFF 1 is equal to set underscore A dot symmetric underscore difference. In that I want to pass set underscore B. So now what happens? All the values are stored in S DIFF 1. So I want to print S DIFF 1. So when I print that, what is the output which is shown on the screen? C, 2, 4 and then B. The same output is displayed on the screen except A and D, because A and D are the common elements. So I think you might have understood this set operations clearly. Totally there are 4 set operations are there. What are they? Union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Which operator is used for union? Pipe symbol. Which operator is used for difference? Difference minus operator. Which operator is used for intersection? Ampersand. Which operator is used for symmetric difference? Caret symbol. Right. I think you might have understood all these headings. With this the set operations are over and then sets are over. In the next video we are going to discuss about the dictionary. Right. I think you might have understood all these things. Let's end the class. So thank you students.